In workouts on Galaxy Watch Ultra, you can set up different metrics and different goals that you want to track on the watch. So I'll show you the example of this. If we go in Samsung Health and go in exercise, and let's say I want to go in jump rope. Now here, before starting, I get the option to set calories as the goal, duration, and then you can set your reps and how much time you need for rest, and then how many sets you need. So you can set this all up even before starting the activity. Then you can set up to pause when the target reached or not. You can also turn on check position before starting, and this will help your watch to count your reps more accurately. Now if I go in another activity like running, I can then select the distance, calories, interval. There is a race feature here that allows you to compete against your past results. So you can basically compete against yourself and your past milestones. You can set up your route here. You can select your interval, whether you want warm-up time or not, recovery time, repeat. So you can set up all of this in different activities, and different activities will provide you different metrics and goals to play around with. Now if I go in swimming, here you will see that this is talking about the length of the pool. You can increase or decrease the length. Pool length, you can change it here, split guide, heart rate zones, and all of that. So every activity has corresponding features and settings that you can set.